Now, okay, so now the next step now is trying to find it in plan. So just to recap, we measured up our height 90. We got A. You were told 90 in the question, in case you're wondering where I get that from. You were told A. I then drew an edge view of the sign. So this red line here, H, is the same as taking this line here off of this square, H. Okay, the diagonal of the square. And what I've done is I've brought the bottom of it down. And I've brought A down. And I'm also bringing the middle down. Okay, so I'm bringing this middle point here. So I got the middle up here. I'm going to bring that down as well, down into plan. Okay, so just to go through that again, brought down A, brought down the middle, brought down the bottom. Okay? You were told in the question that the sign is 30 mil away from the vertical plane. That means A has to be 30 mil away from the vertical plane. So I fitted in a 30 mil line. That's where A is. I then went 90 degrees across. That's where the bottom is. So that's 90 degrees there. Very important that we get that. 90 degrees across. So that dotted red line there is a squashed version of this dotted red line here and this dotted red line up here. So I went 90 degrees across, got the bottom. And then to get the left and right points, we'll say to get D or whatever they're called in the question, but to get left and right, I literally took half the measurement here, went half the measurement here, half the measurement there, half the measurement there. And that gets the plan. To get the front elevation, there's nothing difficult about the front elevation. I'll just do it for one point and then you're going to try and finish this question yourselves because at this point it's all answered. I'm going to bring up A. The heights of A and the height of the middle and the height of this point, all these points here in this auxiliary elevation is the heights for here. So I'm going to go up, whatever height A is here, in this case it's 90, move it with your compass. I'm going to step that up here. I'm going to get where A is. Bring up this one, bring up this one, bring up the bottom. The height of the bottom is this one, little short distance. That's the bottom found. The height of the middle is this distance. That will be that and that found. You join them up to get your sign in front elevation. Great question. See, can you finish off the hidden detail in the middle? Not the hidden detail, apologies, the arrow in the middle. So you have to draw the arrow here, transfer the arrow from here to here, bring the arrow from there to there, bring the arrow from there to there. I'm not too pushed about the arrow. Try your best with it. But what I'm more concerned about is, can you get this square? That's what's more important. Okay, thanks.